What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. You join me with the Alfa Romeo Mito for another tutorial. Now at the back of the car here, for a dead simple one, I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the reg plate bulb, the reg plate light bulb should I say. So as you can see, we've got two lights on each side, and for this video you shouldn't even need any tools. So if it's a bit stiff, there's a bit of a plastic toggle here. If it's a bit too stiff, just get a small flat screwdriver and stick it in. But if not, just use your finger, push it in and pull down, and it should pop straight out like so, revealing your number plate light. Now, to get to the bulb, you'll see a brown plastic bit going into the black plastic bit, which connects to the wire. And we're simply going to get 2 fingers on it and twist it 90 degrees anti-clockwise and pull it out like that. You can even do it with one hand. So that's just now your lens, sort of the bulb holder, revealing the bulb itself. Now to get the bulb out, you're simply going to pull it out like that, a little wiggle, and it's just sort of on a couple of prongs. You can see there, if it focuses, where the bulb slots in to those terminals, and the bulbs can go in either which way around. So when you get your new bulb, you can simply get it. Might be a bit awkward with one hand, and slide it into the prongs like so. And then once you've got it in, push on it a bit, pop it all the way in, and that's it. That's the actual bulb installed. Sorry about the camera work, it's hard low down. And then we can slot that back in to the plastic. And it'll only go in sort of one way. There we go, and then once you're in, you want to turn it 90 degrees clockwise to lock it back into position. And that's the bulb fitted. And then just carefully slot that wire end first back in and push your left side up then. And just like so, it clips back in, and that's how to replace the number plate bulb on the Alfa Romeo Mito. The other side's exactly the same, it's just the tabs on the right side of it on that side. Just the opposite to this one basically. And that, guys, is how to replace the number plate bulb on the Alfa Romeo Mito. Hope you found this video useful, and until next time, peace.